Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. I am at a garden store, Evergrow in Tree, and this garden store, very beautiful layout. The pond is looking really nice, attractive, with pumps and subs, and the water is just very pristine and clear. However, what I have problem with it is that, well, not really have problem with it. What I observe is that in this pond, and it looks as if it's less than 200 gallons, right? In this pond you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 koi. And bear in mind, based on research, based on the requirements for koi health and growth, 1 koi every 100 gallons. Therefore, for a pond to house 7 big koi such as this, right? You would need at least a minimum of 700 gallons of water. Well, regardless of how pristine it is, it's well taken care of, all that, it still inhibits growth, right? In this series, I'm looking at big fish in small spaces. Now, in previous episode, I shared with you the fact that he had this big paco in a 150-175 aquarium that is placed within an office, and the paco couldn't even turn around properly. Now, let's look at this pond, right? It's well filtered. Given that you have several vegetation around it, which are actually helping to maintain the nitrates and nitrites, right? However, looking at the pond, you realize that the fish doesn't really have much space to swim. Thus, the exercise in which they need to keep healthy is inhibited with this small space. Look at this space for seven well-grown koi, right? Beautiful arrangement, beautiful fish, looking good. One of the koi seems as if it's even a crossbreed between it and a goldfish, and you know that those crossbreed, they are infertile, right? So you have 7 large beautiful koi in a small pond being filtered, but in a small space, right? And this is what happens on a regular basis in many businesses. This is a garden store. They sell flowers, they sell equipment for ponds, they sell different items such as stone, and stuff in which will make your pond look really attractive. Like, for example, this stone carved turtle, that iron crab in the corner, right? And some sticks that you would use to decorate, right? So this is a summer. If you have been watching my channel, you will see that I have actually shown this in like a musical theme, right, in the past. But this time around, I am actually looking at this arrangement. So in a nutshell, although you like fish, you like to see them, you don't have much space at your yard or at your place of business. If you don't have enough space, don't get so much, right? It's just like if you have a 1-bedroom and you can't facilitate kids, don't get them, right? Because this actually inhibits the growth of the fish. But they look nice still doing them, not telling a lie, a long time than there, right? But they would have enjoyed themselves much better, go to 3 feet, 3.5 feet, if they had space to exercise. Now, thank you for making Fish Keeping Jamaica again. I hope that you will join me in the next episode as I have one more large fish in small spaces to do. This is season number 2 rally at Fish Keeping Jamaica. Please remember to subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.